All tonight, we just stand up here and we just spotted bike and car. See, we have bad machine there. But CHR, right? I don't know. No? It's black plates on them vehicle and it always look so pretty. Yeah? High farmer. Yeah, bye. Yeah. Yeah man, so watch that, we outside telling people where to go, you know, like if we staying up here. Hey yo, yo! I can't go so bye. Come back. Buddy! Oh, that go so. Go so. But Google Map telling them wrong thing. Yeah. Bad boss. Man, I swear, they really like that song, man. Wow. Yo, that is my shit, man.
Because the Minister of Education, I owe you 10%.
We pass it and in real life, what do we see? A convertible, hold on. A convertible 317. And big up the owner there, that the owner right there. They want the boss. So the boss in a machine. The boss driving bad machine. Yes, right now in a car show. So we got invited to. Was it invited or we get some location?
The location was sent.
The location was sent. We literally was on our way to go and get something to eat. And he's at my partner say he reaching a car show and he don't see me. And I say, well, that is what we convince him. So the man called me and the man said, I say, bro, send me location right away. And then right now, here we are. So we in our car show tonight. You guys gonna get some fire content. We have some real thing. You know, we had the camera out. So once we had the camera out, it's real proper thing. And trust me, they're looking good. So we have Stephanie representing. Well, she does represent it for herself. Because you know she stand alone. Check. You stand on the body. She stand alone. Not stand alone. She stand alone. So yeah, so we just there here chilling. The rain was falling right now. We took some shots. We took some videos. Now it's time to go and take some pictures and see. But one thing I realized, yeah, a lot in terms of like for a car show, like this is a quality car show, like in terms of like how much vehicles you're going to see with music and thing. In Grenada, I think the most you might see is like about 6, 7. I swear like we have about 20 vehicles here with audio, and those are competing versus those at the outside.
saying by that car show real big. Like, I mean, you have a lot more song cars than actual cars that, you know, and persons that they here find. Like, I remember my partner just tell me that how in Grenada at that time place full up and thing, but yeah. But watch how much vehicles are taking part. But I mean, you can see what all that whole line up there, go up there, all of these speakers on top. The vehicles are taking part. Them up there, so all that and them come across there. You have some speakers on top, the vehicles are taking part there. But that, all that and them there. And then you have some that take it up because you're inside of a check. So I guess then people start competition, I guess.
The final A behind, so they're going to line up 7 in front and 8 behind. And as soon as the drivers have finished competing, they're going to exit the competition area, and the next 7 vehicles are going to make their way forward. Shout out to the team from Country Cheech.
Country what?
And the rest of the family. We got PE 637. We got P2195. That's slack. Slick. I'm sorry, I missed this my vowels. I-4 977. We're now moving on to Dylan Sintoner. Driving the Lola. One. Ladies and gentlemen, the sound system is so loud, it could install a windscreen. Configured 5 major power switches inside. It comes with more speakers than I can count. I can only put it, and it went past 10 a long time ago. 4 PRVs. Jesus Christ. And 2 horns. That's